Hello riders, welcome to Throttlers. Today we have jackets from Scala Riding Gears, and Scala is not new to market and it's also not new to riders. So what's so special about Scala Riding Gears is that they have launched their Marvel version 2 riding jacket which comes with SafeTech level 2 paddings. So I'll leave the time snap somewhere here where we will talk about the introduction of Scala Riding Gears and also about the specific features of these jackets. So starting with Scala had earlier two models, which was Alpha level 1 riding jacket and level 2, which was Marvel, and those were very basic riding jackets, but now they have boomed up to a very different level with new specifications, and it's altogether a total upgrade. That's what we should say. So moving on to the Marvel version 2 riding jackets, they have SafeTech level 2 armors on their elbow, shoulders and spine. So what is SafeTech is that it's basically protectors designed from Italy. So we have already made a video what is SafeTech and SASTech. So from that you will be able to understand how the SafeTech paddings work when there is a crash or an abrasion. So moving on to further specification of the jackets, these jackets come with chest protections. So the market is now behind chest protections, and they have the EVA foam for the chest paddings. So that is another greater update, and they have the YKK zippers, and they have 600D denier given on the jackets, and the entire jackets has adequate mesh panels, making it much convenient for you to ride. And coming to the sizes, they have sizes from S to 5XL. Earlier they had sizes only up to 3XL, and now they have enhanced the sizes up to 5XL. And moving on to the ladies jacket, what currently I am wearing is the Scala Akira riding jacket. These also have the same specification as the Marvel V2 riding jacket. It has spine, elbow and shoulders with level 2 SafeTech armors. And what to say about the external liners? So now everybody wants an external liner, rain liner especially, and they have introduced an external rain liner with high vis pop-up color. So I'll also show that to you. And there is an internal thermal liner which you can wear during your Ladakh rides and so on. The branding Scala is given very decently here, and these are also reflections. And what is written here, Marvel V2, these are also reflections. So a pretty amount of reflection is coming over here. And another step that they have given here, which we should definitely follow, is the titanium sliders. So most of the jackets that come with titanium sliders, they look very flimsy, otherwise does not look very solid. But this titanium slider is something that is very hard and very rigid, that is making you feel more abrasion resistance. So we have three variants here, the black, grey and black grey combination, and the ladies riding jacket have black and grey variant. So this comes under a classic color options. People who do not want to have pop-up of colors on their riding jackets, definitely this is a great choice. And coming to the price point, the Scala riding jackets, Marvel V2 and the Akira riding jackets are priced at rupees 6,999. Right from size S to 5XL, all the jackets are priced at the same price. So that is a thumbs up from Throttlers. If you're looking for more information on these jackets, please do drop a comment or DM or WhatsApp us. We'll be able to help you. And if you want to place orders, do order on our website, which is www.throttlers.com. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon in the next video.